If 500 ml of 5 molar solution is diluted to 1500 ml, what will be the molarity of the solution obtained? Okay, so over here हमें बताना है molarity of the solution after dilution. We need to talk about the molarity of the solution after dilution. After dilution, molarity of the solution after dilution हमें पता करना है. तो आप देखो initial molarity कितनी है, m1 is equals to 5 molar. Initial volume of the solution, initial volume of solution, initial volume of solution कितना है, it is 500 ml. Clear. On dilution, total volume of the solution increases. On dilution, total volume of solution, total volume of solution increases. ये तो हमें पता ही होता है. So एक तरह से हमारा फाइनल वॉल्यूम M2 कितना हो गया, 1500 ml हो गया है ना. एक मिनट, यहाँ मैंने थोड़ी गलती कर दी है लिखने में. फाइनल वॉल्यूम लिखना था, मैंने मोलारिटी लिख दी. तो फाइनल वॉल्यूम इतना है, हमें मोलारिटी निकालनी है यहाँ पर. सो ऑन डाइल्यूशन अगर जब हम बात करते हैं बेटा, सो द फॉर्मूला यूज्ड विल बी M1V1 is equals to M2V2. For dilution process, this is the formula used, so it will be 5 into 500, that is equals to M2 into 1500. So M2 यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा, it will be 5 into 500 by 1500. That makes the answer to come out to be as, this is cancelled, 5 ones are 5 3s are 5 by 3, that is equals to near about 1.66 molar. So when a 500 ml of 5 molar solution is diluted to 1500 ml, the molarity of the solution obtained is 1.66 molar. Option number 2 is the right answer to the question.